Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable Roblox desktop app, or we can say how you can remove beta of the Roblox. So let's get started. First, search on this PC and go to installation folder where your Roblox is installed. Usually it is located in the program files, but in my case it's somewhere else. I have it already open right here. Now just go to Roblox, then versions, then delete the beta launcher file and go to above folders to do the same. Now you have successfully removed beta. So this is basically how you can disable Roblox app, or you can remove beta of Roblox. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.